Hey, do you want to ensure your text has no issues printing? We got you. When using unique fonts, sending files for print can sometimes turn into a font mismatch disaster. This happens when the font you used is not available in our computers. To avoid this, we recommend saving an editable version for yourself and sending a non-editable version for printing. In Adobe Illustrator, it's a breeze. Just press Command A to select everything, go to Object and select Expand. Press OK and that's it. You'll see how the highlighting changes. For Canva, export as SVG. For flawless, non-editable vector files. That wraps up our series on artwork printing tips. Stay tuned for new series and more tips. Don't miss out and remember, we've got your back.